Hello and welcome to this overview video of our Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central app, SD Linkbox. SD Linkbox allows you to easily drag and drop files to associate and attach to any Dynamics 365 Business Central record. With SD Linkbox, you define multiple locations called drop points. These drop points are displayed within the fact box that can be added to any page in your Dynamics 365 Business Central environment. The drop point storage types in SD Linkbox can be database storage, Azure Blob storage, OneDrive storage, or Dropbox storage. These storage types can be size controlled. Let's have a look at some of the settings you can specify for your drop points in the drop point card. With SD Linkbox, you can version control your linked documents and files. You can also easily track document expiry dates by setting date formulas to view alerts for upcoming and past expiry dates and files. You can use template files to auto-create and link template documents to records in a specific table. Another clever feature of SD Linkbox allows you to easily restrict access to files in your drop point by applying security filters to the drop points using standard Dynamics 365 Business Central user groups. From the Drop to Files fact box, you can easily and quickly check out your version controlled files from the drop points and save your checked out file to make any changes. From this fact box, you can also view the version history of your documents. And from here, you can download earlier versions of a file or revert your current version to an earlier one. When a file is checked out, the style of the record for the checked out file changes in the Dropped Files fact box. If you have checked out the file, the record in the Dropped Files fact box is marked in green, and if another user has checked out the file, the record is marked in red. If a file has been checked out by another user, you can easily send a check-in reminder to the user by simply selecting the file and choosing the Send Check-in Reminder action. Any file check-in reminders that you receive can be easily viewed from here in the Linkbox Role Center. File check-in reminders will also appear on pages where the drop area and dropped file fact boxes are displayed for the file that is linked to the record. Another feature of SD Linkbox enables you to track expiry dates on your files in the drop points by alerting you to files with upcoming or past expiry dates. This feature is useful where you want to track expiry dates for files such as certification documents or tax or insurance documents with upcoming expiry dates. From the Expiry Dates KPI, you can view the expiry date alerts on your files. Let's take a closer look at how setting up security permissions on your drop points allows you to control who can upload, view, edit and delete your files on the drop point. In this drop area, we currently have permissions to upload, delete and edit files by checking them out of the drop area. Let's say we want to limit the files in this drop area to view only for certain users. In the drop point card, we'll restrict users with this selected permission to only allow them to view the files on the drop area. These permissions are based on Dynamics 365 Business Central user groups. And back in the drop area, we can see that we no longer have permission to upload, delete or check out the files. Using SD Linkbox, you can easily attach a template file to a specific table record or records. This feature is useful, for example, where you might want to attach a product fact sheet to a new item or a customer account form to a new customer. To attach a template file to a single record, highlight the record and in the Dropped File fact box, choose the Add Template File action. And you can see the template files that are available for the drop area. If you have expiry date functionality turned on, you enter the file's expiry date, and the template file has been added to this record. To to add template files to multiple records at once, to all of the records in the table linked to the drop area, go to the drop point card and in the Template Files Fast tab, choose the Deploy Templates action. And back in the page where the drop area is surfaced, you can see the template file has been added to each of the records that are linked to the drop area in the drop point card.